Welcome to Kettle Lab's How-To series. Today we'll demonstrate how to use Fabric Data Activator for automated actions. Sign into Microsoft Fabric, and let's get started. To configure Data Activator in Microsoft Fabric, connect your real-time data source. Now we will verify data ingestion to ensure it's streaming correctly. Here we already have rules configured, and we can modify them based on our requirements. In rule settings, we can choose alert channels such as Teams, email, etc., and we can customize the notification. Next, click Save and Start, and it will configure and activate the Data Activator. If you want to check the history of triggered notification, click History. You can view the projected activations based on our rules. If the conditions are met, the Data Activator triggers alerts to the respective channels we've configured. Now, let's click Test Action to check if our activator is working fine, and we are getting alerts on Microsoft Teams. Here is a snapshot of the notification. As mentioned before, we can change the source of the channel for the alerts. Let's configure an email trigger, and click Test Action to check this email alert. Here is a snapshot of the notification. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Fabric. Thanks for watching.